Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPad has a stable internet connection over Wi-Fi or cellular. Open Settings and verify date and time are set to automatic for accurate certificates. Sign out of the App Store by tapping your Apple ID, then sign back in. Check restrictions and screen time to ensure App Store installation is allowed. Force close the App Store and restart your iPad to clear transient issues. If problems persist, note your iPad OS version like 16 or 17 for troubleshooting. Update your iPad OS to the latest available version, for example iPad OS 16 or 17, before further steps. Free up at least 1 GB of storage and then relaunch the App Store to test downloads. Reset network settings to resolve Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity issues affecting the store. Clear Safari cache and sign out of iCloud, then sign back in to refresh account tokens. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then disable it to reset radios. Check Apple system status to confirm App Store. Offload problematic apps or delete and reinstall them to refresh app permissions and files. Sign out of your Apple ID, reboot, then sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. If the App Store still fails, create a full iCloud or local backup before deeper fixes. Erase all content and settings only after confirming your backup is current and complete. You can also connect the iPad to a Mac and restore via Finder if recovery is required. Contact Apple support by chat or phone if none of these advanced steps resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.